Hello friends, in information technology our chapter is basics of information technology and our today's topic is internet. So that is going to be the interesting topic for you. We will see what is the history of internet and what is internet in today's lecture. Let's start. What is internet? Internet means connecting computers to any other computers anywhere in the world. Internet is the highway of information. The internet has one very simple job: to move computerized information known as data from one place to another place. The internet is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. The internet is a massive network of networks. So simply the internet is networks of networks. So internet word is made from the word international network. That's why it is called as internet. It is made from international network. That's why it is called as internet. A networking infrastructure with the help of the internet, one can easily be touched with anyone in the world by sending electronic mail, by chatting, traveling, booking can be made very easy. One can order books or buy anything online. In simple terms, it can be said that internet provides very strong connection or network between computers globally, brings people and their networking close to each other. So internet is, we may say, is the need of our day-to-day life. See, I am also making a lecture on internet and you can see the lectures on internet only. So the internet has become the need of our life. So it is very close topic to our. We will see what is the history of internet. So I hope you basically understand network. The internet is international networks. It is made from many computer networks, gets together by millions of computers. That's why it is called as internet. The first workable prototype of the internet came in late of 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, or we may say it Advanced Research Project Agency Network. You must remember this. That is the origin of your internet. What is it? ARPA network, that is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, originally funded by US Department of Defense. So US Defense Department was the power behind the ARPA network. ARPANET used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on single network. The technology continued to grow in the 1970s after scientists Robert Kahn and Winton Cerf developed transmission control protocol, that is TCP, and internet protocol, that is IP, that is together known as TCP/IP, transmission control protocol and internet protocol, that is much needed for the process of internet. A communication model that sets standard for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. So what is basically TCP and IP does that? It makes our system able to transmit data to multiple networks or multiple computers in the larger extent, we may say. ARPANET adopted TCP/IP on January 1st, 1983, and from there researchers began to assemble the network of networks, that is the word for internet. That became the modern internet. The online world then took a more recognizable form in 1990. So internet become more familiar to users in 1990 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee, this is the bigger name here, Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. You must remember this, that is the important name. Tim Berners-Lee invented World Wide Web, and there are some protocols which are be useful for to run the computers, and those provide a structure that runs the internet. We will see in the next lecture. I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you so much.